G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome to Shit Easy Motorcycle Camp Cooking. We're doing it in the man cave tonight. I've actually got the heater bloody set up here. It's roaring away because it's actually a bit of a cold night. So what we're doing is Fettuccine Carbonara. If you can see that there, the old Maggi packet makes it real easy. So basically all this is, nothing needs to be refrigerated. So we have, this is the ingredients. So we've got the Maggi satchel, tin of Spam. Now with this doing, like if you were to go out camping, we could cook this up and we're going to have leftover Spam, like bacon Spam. So we could use that in the morning to have some bacon and eggs, because we're not going to use all of that obviously. So those two, bit of milk, bit of water. This is long life milk, so you obviously don't need to refrigerate it, and a bit of egg noodle, the fettuccine bloody stuff. So what I wanted to show you is I bought this stuff from the supermarket, came in that packet. All I did was cut it in half. Basically I put it in a plastic bag and I just went on the corner of a bench and broke it in half. That's one half, that's the other half. So that's all I would need to take. We'll get rid of that. Bit of oil, and that is it guys. So what I'm going to use to cook this is my little camp pot, my big camp fry pan, the wood, just a little wood stove. Now you can just, if you've got obviously a campfire, you can use that, but I'll just use this. And of course the little gas stove, which you'll see in a minute, which is always in my little pack. That's it. So let me get myself all set up, raring to go, and then we'll start cooking. Rightio guys, so I've got some water in there to be able to boil that fettuccine stuff. Got the wood stove set up there. I've got some wood there. We'll get that cooking going in a minute. So really the only major prep is actually cutting this bacon up. So we'll just rip that open like that. You guys have seen me do this stuff before. There we go. Get that out there like that. And remember, we want to cut this really thin. Just like that. Now obviously with the Fettucine Carbonara, we're going to want like bacon pieces, so I'll slice all this up. Oh, a little bit. Oh, come on. Love the bacon. I reckon that's enough. So then the leftover stuff, basically you'd put that in a plastic bag, and I think that should be right for the next morning. That's in cold weather. In hot weather, I'm not too sure. I haven't actually tried it. So now that I've got this going, well, let's get this. Get the water starting to boil, because once it's boiled, then we can put the fettuccine in. It cooks in about 6 minutes. Oh, got a couple of fire lighters. I'll use two just to get it going real quick. Rightio, so just whack a good, whacking of oil in there. Beauty. Get that cooking on there. And we'll just make some small pieces of that bacon. Hopefully you guys can see this. That's pretty easy. to make the bacon pieces. Look at that. No worries at all. Chuck that in there. Grab. I've got a spatula in here somewhere. Yeah, that's roaring up, no worries at all. So now all we've got to do is basically brown this, the bacon. Check our water, that's still going. How you going up there, guys? You're copping all the smoke, aren't you? Bloody hell. Water's nearly boiling. I think I put too much bloody wood in there. Look at that bacon, bloody beautiful. Rightio, so there we go. Water is boiling. So now we just whack this stuff in. Dirty. Oh, so there's our plastic bag. So we can put that in. Seal that up, and I reckon overnight, on a cool night, that will be fine to cook up the next morning. Another thing you can do is pre-cook this the night before. So you just don't burn your bloody. Cook it the night before, and then you can just reheat it in the morning. That's most probably a safer way of doing it, but I think it should be pretty well right. Geez, that bacon's looking pretty good, guys. Put that lid on there. Just turn that heat down because that was boiling over. Just want it to simmer. Actually, I'll leave that off. So there you go, guys. That, hopefully you can see that. That's pretty well done. So now what we've got to do is put in some water. You just follow the directions. It's half a cup of water, half a cup of milk. That's about half a cup. Pour that in there, stick that back on there. Punch a hole in our little milk thing. That's 200 mils, I think. Half a cup is like 120 mils or something like that. So we're just guessing it. We're out in the middle of the bush, blokes. Bloody having a go at doing some cooking. Squeeze all that in. A little bit more. I reckon that'll do it. Now we just got to put this stuff in. Now I think I won't put it, oh we'll see. No, I'll put it all in. Cool. Now I'll just stir all that around, mix it all up. There you can see what that looks like there. Oh god, that steam, guys. Sorry about the steam. Chuck a couple of bits more on there. So I'm just going to keep moving that around, just heating it up. I'll come back to you. Rightio guys, so this has been just cooking along, just holding it off so it doesn't boil too much, because you only want to simmer the stuff in the pan. You just want to simmer that up. I don't know if you can see that, guys. That's now starting to thicken up. I put the lid back on this just to make sure that fettuccine is going to be al dente. The dog's sitting down here and it's bloody, you can smell the bacon. What do you reckon, Perk's? Pretty good? Come here. Oh, there she is. She's sitting there waiting for it, aren't you? What do you reckon? Pretty good? Well, I reckon that's the bacon, and that sauce is now all done, guys. See if you can. I'll try it on this bloody camera here. I don't know if you can see that better there. So that's bloody delicious looking. Smells good. So now we'll check this fettuccine. Oh, looks, what's this? Without bloody burning me. So, ah! I reckon it's all right. So, turn that off. Drain this stuff down here. Where's the dog? She's right. Beauty. So now all we've got to do is pour that stuff into there, like that. Give it a good old mix around. Look at that. That's bloody... That's awesome looking. Hey, check that out. I reckon that's got to be it, guys. That's a done deal. So, move that over there. That down there. Move that. Find myself a fork. Let's give it a shot. That's awesome. That is good. You know what? I would have actually put a bit more bacon in it. That's bloody good. I'm going to go and get Nay and see what she reckons. Hang on. Bloody hell, guys. I didn't press record. We've done this whole thing. Nay tasted it. She loved it. Do it again. Bloody hell. Pretend it's the first time you're eating it.
All right.
Hey, what do you reckon? She likes it.
I actually do like it.
Yeah. I was saying...
It's better than mine.
No, it doesn't. No, Max. Finish your food, Mark. Nay makes fettuccine carbonara, but she does it from scratch, makes it herself, not out of a packet. But look, I'd happily eat this, no worries at all.
Me too.
Yeah, that's a winner. And that's with the Spam.
Ah,
The Spam bacon.
Of course. That's it there. Nothing wrong with that.
No.
Guess who's the new cook for the house?
No. So there you go. There you go, guys. That is it. Look at that, would you? That is bloody... And it is, true to God, it is yummy as hell. And that wasn't too hard. Obviously, if you're Alistair, that's just not something he's going to do. But if you don't mind, you know, doing a bit of work to cook something like this, and then obviously there's always dishes after it. Yeah, this beats bloody dehydrated shit. 100%.
How many times did you burn yourself? No.
All right, guys, we're just going to finish eating it. We've already had tea tonight.
This is a midnight snack.
Yeah, we'll have to get some bacon pieces for the dog. All right, there you go, guys. So that is fettuccine carbonara, shoot easy motorcycle camp cooking. All right, keep on riding, and if you ain't riding, keep on keeping on.